Hey everyone, Sarah here from Sarah in Wonderland. Today we are filming kind of a weird video. We are testing a weird product that is new at Sephora. And I don't know, this just intrigued me. Also, I don't know why my face looks really yellow right now, but it is. So I'm wearing a sweater A because it's cold and rainy. B because if you thought I was pale here, you should see down here I'm a different kind of pale. But I wanted to use a foundation to test this product that I absolutely love, so that's why. Currently I have on the Lancome Tinted Out 24-Hour Wear Foundation. I love this stuff. I know it works great, and I have my brows done. So let's get into the testing video and stop me from talking in this intro for half an hour. Let me find the info on the product and then we'll come back. Alright guys, so the product that we are testing today is the new Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So it is a new loose setting powder by Becca. So it runs for... my dog's scratching herself. It runs for $46 for 10 grams of product. This is the packaging. It's pretty. I'll open it in a second. I'll read you a little bit about the product. So it says an ultra translucent setting powder that sets makeup for extended wear with a revitalizing mist-like effect on skin. Okay, so it says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, which how the heck is a powder made up of 50% water? This powder creates a mist-like sensation on skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. Ultra-fine, light-reflecting powders float over skin to smooth and blur the look of fine lines and imperfections. Reapply it as needed to keep makeup looking fresh all day long. So I can already tell you right now that I'm going to get this very dirty. You can already see my fingerprints on it. But let's open up the product. So it says, keep me close to keep me cool. Or I guess the product dries out. So how the heck do you do this? Okay. So you just lift this guy up. Okay, and then it has a little mesh kind of sieve on it. So let's touch this because apparently it feels wet to the touch. It's like a little trampoline in here. It's so cute. Okay, now everybody that I watched a video on said that it feels like wet. I'm not feeling a wet sensation. I'm feeling like a cooling sensation, but not necessarily a wet sensation. Actually no. On this hand it does feel wet. That's weird. That's really weird. Really weird. So what I'm going to do is, I didn't want to apply my concealer because I like to set it right away. So I'm going to be using my tried and true Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to use this under my eyes and then on the high points of my face. And then we are going to set the under eyes and then I'm going to set the face. I'm going to do half with a sponge because that's how I like to set my face with a powder. And then half with a brush just to compare. Okay guys, so I have my concealer on and we are going to set it. So now, if you guys have watched my video before, you know I don't really like to bake under my eyes. So I'm just going to lightly set. So I'm going to shake a little bit of product into there while I have the lid closed. Open it up. And then I'm going to double check and make sure there's no creases under my eyes. And I am going to grab some product and just set under my eyes. Okay, oh, no, that feels wet. That feels wet. What on earth? Guys, it literally feels like I'm stamping water on my face. What is going on right now? But I swear to you guys, it literally feels like I just sprayed my face with water under my eyes. Yep, that's weird. This feels so wrong. The feeling's gone away now. Also, it's set really nicely. It looks really smooth. I don't know if you guys can see it, but honestly, it looks like a baby's bottom under there. Okay, so I am going to set the right side of my face with my beauty blender. So I'm going to just stamp a little in the product. Oh my god. It feels like I did not like rinse my beauty feels like I did not rinse my beauty blender off. Like squeeze it out. And then I'm just going in with this soaking wet sponge. My face looks very airbrushed. And then on the other side, I'm going to go in with a powder brush. Oh, okay. Nope, that literally just feels like I washed my brush and it wasn't dry and I just wiped product on my face. Okay, so as for which side I like better, they honestly look pretty much exactly the same. It really blurred my pores, like especially on the sponge side. I feel like it's like extra around here, like it's very, very poreless. Even on this side, just a little bit, it has like a little bit lighter of an effect with the brush because I didn't use a ton of product, whereas with the beauty blender you can pack on a little bit more. My under eyes look really nice. My face looks really nice right now. I do have really dry skin, so powders I can tend to see on my face, and then I need to like set it with a setting spray, and it usually kind of calms them down a little bit. But right now it looks really, really good. So I brought my bronzer down as well just to see how a product blends over top, and then I'm going to go off camera and finish the rest of my makeup, but I wanted to see like if anything skips or anything like that. So today I'm using the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the shade Golden Light. Like I said, I just wanted to make sure that the products blend over top of it nicely and it's not like skipping. Now I will say my face feels kind of tight now, especially like around my nose area. I feel like it feels pretty tight, not in a bad way where it's like drying, just like I can feel it tightening. Alright guys, so I have my bronzer on. Everything went on really nicely. There's no skipping at all. And yeah, like I said, it looks really nice right now. My under eyes look really just kind of airbrushed. They don't look creepy or anything. My pores are definitely minimized, and yeah, it obviously doesn't add any extra coverage because it's translucent, but it really just kind of made everything very flawless looking. So I am going to go finish the rest of my makeup. Currently it is 1:07. And I will be back to check in when my makeup is finished. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I am back with the rest of my makeup done. I was having a very monochromatic day, and I'm honestly not mad about this. Just clearly looks like I'm not over St. Patrick's Day yet, but I'm about it. You guys know I love green eyeshadow. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I'm really liking this makeup look. But I'm having a really good makeup day. Like, a seriously good makeup day. I just set my face, so it's now 2:10, so it's been an hour since I finished like my eye makeup and the rest of my makeup and stuff. And it looks really, really nice. My face still looks very like airbrushed. I checked the other lighting in my house, so I checked at my vanity and I checked in my bathroom because I feel like that gives me like the truest light is my bathroom lighting. And I do really like that. I really like the powder. It doesn't look super powdery. However, I do like the side with the beauty blender better because I feel like the powder is more pressed into the skin. It makes it look that much more like I said, my pores look that much more erased, and the powder side is sitting on top a little bit more. Nothing that's like deter me from liking it. But if I had to choose, I would definitely pick the side with the beauty blender, which is going to go about the rest of my day. I'm going to go edit, eat a pizza, hang out with the dog, and then I will come back and check in with you guys. But for right now, giving this powder a thumbs up. Alright guys, I will see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so I am back. It is now 5:50, so the powder has been on for about 5 hours. Right? Almost 6 hours. I'm currently doing some special effects on my hands, so I can't touch anything right now. But as for the powder, it still looks really, really nice. It hasn't gotten dry anywhere. I'm still going with the fact that I like the right side just a tiny bit better. And my foundation has worn off a little bit on my nose, but that's because I'm sick, so I keep blowing my nose. And other than that, it looks really good. It doesn't look dry or cakey like I said. So I am going to continue going about my, I guess, night now. And I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so it is now 9 p.m. and this has been on for about 8 hours. And honestly, it still looks exactly the same as when I put it on. I'm really surprised I don't have that much creasing in my smile lines. Normally I always do, but they're not really as bad as they normally are, so that is a plus. Around my nose it's starting to get like a little bit crusty, which is a really gross word, but I have been blowing my nose because I'm sick, so that could be why, but otherwise the foundation is wearing great with this powder. Like I said, it looks like it did from when I put it on. Really like it, will continue to use. It's a really cool concept. I don't think you get a ton of powder in here. Like, I feel like it's not full, but it's okay. It's not something I don't think you would go through a whole lot because I don't bake. And it's such a different cool consistency. I don't know. I do really enjoy it. I definitely will keep using it. It'll just be a matter of if I repurchase it or not. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all again in a video very soon. Don't forget to hit the like and notification bell because YouTube is not notifying you when people that you are subscribed to post videos. So make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye everyone. I'm so sticky. Dun 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 dun. Na na. Blood. I got blood here. I got blood on my sleeves now. I got blood everywhere. Blood, 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 blood.